Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all how to lose your first 10 kgs in 2025. Now New Year is round the corner, so we do want to lose the maximum weight that we want to in just a few days in the beginning itself as a New Year resolution. So recently my lots of clients followed this type of diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see 10 kgs of weight loss in a few days. And so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosmore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, and I'll be more than happy to assist you in your weight loss journey and create customized and personalized diet plans for you for weight loss. So without any delay, let's get started with diet plan for how to lose your first 10 kgs in 2025 quickly. So before we begin with the diet plan, I'll be sharing with you some tips and quick and tricks that you can follow for easy weight loss in just few days. Always make sure to hydrate yourself first thing in the morning and also the last thing in the morning. So first, once you wake up in the morning, always make sure to consume a diuretic water, and once you go to the bed, always make sure to have your last drink as your bedtime drink, which should be detoxifying and at the same time something which helps you to boost your metabolism as well. Second point is always make sure to limit your salt post sunset. As soon as the sun sets, make sure you're not having anything too salty or too sweet in nature. The best thing is to have your dinner before sunset, and it works amazingly well for your intermittent fasting and your weight loss as well. Third point is majorly focusing on your hydration levels. When it comes to winter seasons, you always quit drinking too much of water. Always make sure to hydrate yourself well throughout the winter season as well. And trust me, you'll be amazed to see how much difference this makes in your weight loss journey. And now let's proceed towards our diet plan to how to lose first 10 kgs in 2025. Starting with the early morning drink, which has to be diuretic water at the same time, which helps you with detoxification and helps you hydrate your body very quickly in the morning itself. The best thing to have is either you can have ajwain or jeera water. All you have to do is simply boil 1 teaspoon of ajwain and 1 teaspoon of jeera in 1 glass of water, which is of 350 ml approximately. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes and you're good to go for your early morning drink. Now this basically helps your body to de-bloat, depuff, remove water retention very quickly and works amazingly well for postpartum weight loss as well. Second option, if you cannot have this, then you can always consume coriander seeds water. All you have to do is simply boil approximately 20 grams of coriander seeds in 1 glass of water, let it simmer for at least 2 to 3 minutes and you're good to go for your early morning drink. Helps with thyroid levels, helps with PCOD or PCOS weight loss, and definitely to cure its symptoms as well. 15 to 20 minutes post this drink, always make sure to consume 5 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts and 1 anjeer, which is fig. Now this basically helps with your brain development, with your heart health, and also to promote good gut health. So make sure to have this 15 to 20 minutes post your early morning drink. Now we'll proceed quickly towards our breakfast options, which has to be something high in protein, high in fiber, and very quick to prepare as well. One of the key points of a good weight loss journey is if you're not an intermittent fasting diet plan, always make sure to consume a high protein and definitely good breakfast to help you boost your metabolism and also to help your body to start working its functional goals well, and you're good to go for your throughout the day. The first option would be to consume a bowl of fruits. I prefer to use it as a smoothie. Now I've shared a complete smoothie bowl recipe which is super yummy, super tasty. I've added lots and lots of fruits to it. Some Greek yogurt you can add for the consistency, or you can just use almond milk or low fat skim milk as well for the consistency, and you're good to go for your smoothie bowl. You can top it up with lots and lots of choices of your own, like for example muesli or granola, or you can even top it up with some fruits, coconut flakes, seeds, nuts, and you're good to go for your breakfast. It's high in protein, works amazingly well for your sugar cravings, and it's super yummy as well. Second option would be to consume eggs. Now if you can have eggs during this time and you're good to go for your breakfast, then always make sure to consume either 3 boiled egg whites, or you can even prepare an omelette out of it, a veggie omelette of 3 egg whites. You can load the omelette with as many vegetables as seasonally possible, like mushrooms, spinach, corns, bell peppers, onion, tomato, avocado, and whatever you like to it, and you're good to go for your healthy, high in protein and extremely less carbs breakfast option. Along with that, you can have a freshly brewed cup of green tea, black coffee as per your own choice, and you're good to go for your healthy breakfast. And now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack option, which comes between breakfast and lunch time. If you do feel hunger pangs during this time, the best option to consume would be to have a citrus fruit, maybe a tangerine, an orange, or you can even have some lemon water. Chill lemon water or warm lemon water works amazingly well during 11 a.m. time, so that you're good to go for your vitamin C boost during this time. Second option would be to have coconut water, freshly freshly available and locally seasonally available coconut water works amazingly well to satiate you from within, provide good gut health, electrolytes, at the same time majorly focusing on your pH levels as well. So make sure to get a freshly available locally seasoned coconut water. And now let's proceed towards our lunch option. And as usual, before lunch we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. All you have to do is simply add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Have it sip by sip before consuming your lunch and you're good to go for your anti-inflammatory drink, which basically promotes good gut health, balances the pH level of the body, and majorly does not let your body spike its blood sugar level when it comes to your food intake. So always make sure to have apple cider vinegar before your meals. Quickly proceeding towards our lunch option, I'll be giving you 2 options here. The first option has to be my personal favorite, low in carbs, high in fiber. You can add lots and lots of vegetables to it as well and you're good to go for your lunch. I am talking about having sambar and idli. Now if you're a South Indian lover, then please make sure to have at least this food option for at least 2 or 3 times a week. It will give you good weight loss, trust me, and you'll be happy to see the results as well, as all my clients have seen. All you can do is prepare a sambar, which is basically of lots and lots of vegetables added to it and less of dal. Along with that, you can have 2 to 3 idlis of approximately 40 grams made of either millets or suji or rava, or even you can prepare it with ragi as well, and you're good to go for your good lunch. You can add lots and lots of vegetables to your sambar, have it along with some coconut chutney as well, or you can even have it along with lots of salad as well. Second option would be for all of those who can definitely have rice during your lunch. You can have brown rice pulao. The complete recipe is already uploaded on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients and is super tasty and super yummy in every form. I love to have this at least twice a week because it gives me good amount of satiatedness. Rice is something which I love. At the same time, you can prepare it any season because you can add lots and lots of vegetables to it like I am adding it. Along with that, you can have a bowl of raita or curd and plus salad, of course. The glycemic index of brown rice is very lower than the white rice and it helps in your digestion as well. So do make sure to prepare this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes basically between your lunch and dinner time. If you do feel hunger pangs during this time, the best option for you would be to consume either 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea, black coffee, black tea, or you can simply have 30 grams of roasted makhanas or peanuts. Make sure to add no salt to it of any kind. Just roast them in some ghee or some olive oil and sprinkle some black pepper powder to it, and you're good to go for your mid-evening snack. Proceeding towards our dinner option, which comes basically and preferably before sunset. Now I'll be sharing recipes with you which satiates you very good well when it comes to your dinner options. The first option would be my personal favorite. You can have any of the 3 chila recipes and I'm going to share with you. You can have either moong dal chila, you can have either vegetable basin chila, or you can have oats chila. The complete recipes are already up on my channel and the link is given in the description box below as well. Super easy, super yum to prepare. My personal favorite would be moong dal chila because it is so low in carbs and great for satiatedness as well. I like to have it along with some mint chutney. You can have it some coconut chutney or some raita and you're good to go for your dinner. Second option is something which is super high in protein and works amazingly well for your digestion as well. I am talking about paneer tikka. Along with that, you can add lots and lots of vegetables to it as well. I'm using here 100 grams of paneer, to which I'm adding lots and lots of vegetables like bell peppers. You can add chopped onions as well. Along with that, season it with all the spices mentioned and some yogurt and you're good to go for your marination. Just I'm using an air fryer to roast it well. You can also use a grilling pan and you're good to go for your paneer tikka. Tastes amazingly well and satiates you super amazingly well for your dinner time. You can always replace your paneer with either soya or chicken as per your own choice and you're good to go for your dinner. Now let's proceed towards our most important and super amazingly well bedtime drink option. I'll be giving you 2 options here. The first one is my personal favorite and loved by all of my clients. This drink works amazingly well for even who those aged more than 60 years and they're good to go for your menopausal and at the same time deal with lots of hormonal imbalances. So I am talking about 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. Now this drink basically works amazingly well to promote good sleep benefits at night. People suffering from insomnia, bad sleep or some night issues, then you can definitely try out this tea for amazingly well benefits. And it also helps to boost your metabolism to a next level. Second option would be to have the same repeated early morning drink. You can have ajwain jeera water, you can have coriander seeds water as per your own choice and you're good to go for your bedtime drink, but do not skip it at any cost. Along with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to give you good hydration benefits, to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly and to promote good weight loss as well. If you want your personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans, how my clients reduce weight every single day, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.